MTDCNC are at Leader CNC this morning. We've come to look at this machine, which is available from stock. This is a DMC DL24TT GB machine. Now, interestingly, this has 2 spindles and 2 turrets. You can see here from the left-hand spindle that we have a turret here, and this is essentially where you maybe do operation 1. And then to the right of this, you have a second spindle where you would do operation 2, again with its own turret. They're almost like their own independent machining cells. Who would use this type of machine? Well, it would lend itself to maybe automotive machining companies, maybe doing brake disc parts or cylindrical components in high volumes. The beauty of it is that we have a gantry which actually will load the parts, and also automation which will turn the components over. So there's no operator intervention needed on this machine. You would have an in feed which would probably sit to my right, and then you would have an out feed which would sit to the left. The way this machine is built and the style of machine means that you get a machine of this nature in a very small footprint. The swarf evacuation would be out of the back of the machine. So we're trying to get 2 spindles, 2 machining cells to complete 1 component in a small area. Now, the actual machine itself, in terms of the size of parts you can handle, it's got an 86mm bar capacity, but we're really looking at this being a chucking machine. So the max turning diameter is 250mm. We have a 10-inch chuck as standard on both spindles. It is a box guideway machine, and it's also, as you would expect, it's quite fast. You've got 24 meters a minute in the rapids. You have 10 tools on each turret, and it's also driven by a FANUC control. Now, the actual handling weight of the robot is 8 kilograms, so that gives you an idea of the size of components that you can actually hold on this machine. As I said at the start of this, we don't often review machines like this. It's reasonably unusual to have a machine of this nature in stock. So if you're looking at a high volume manufacture, looking at Op1 and Op2, this is a straight turning machine. You can consider this DMC machine from Leader CNC, and it's here in stock.